Chachao ama wakwaba and a Sunday. Adom year 25th day of January 2026, the year of our Lord. Super magnificent welcome. And of course, Yerem na fe na no pay Yama Yahon tidbit kakransan Yerem na Yakopiem Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Na update upon update be a Sefata Sawatiano Yere Asomo. It's Asante Kotoko and Abaseke Holy Stars. This is the fourth time, man. Two teams see Asia mo or Ghana Premier League mo na Ubia. I win 1-1-1 and I feel so draw back a PMO into the three occasions so my PMO no. Yes, a pie amubianya 1-1 win and about a draw. And this is the fourth ever occasion. Yere hon sem ebabe tujana bibia team akoso. Yes, Basaka Fono coaching komobi. Yere betuja trick bi on person mo your hon sem and I feel so one player ba konso komo. Yere betuja head of a game man. To Jano Intinano pay several hot Kotoko any coast in Massa what dear enono J Nefagu minim na ecogram by Sports Stadium won't mean consua virtual seat challenge bomade na etia Kotoko page where the na etia scanning be or MTM money so FMA Sante Kotoko officially na bibia nwepe Kotoko page wa and the whole boy na bibia so jema several with squad no Basaka bedros dream ama the so mo your baby o mo lodge ni adi nyina no poke crowd and that firm e wa ha no Masante Kotoko so aye one squad list I didn't count the one smam e be so e the amount na and a letter special letter to a media house and also e be di hujuma special letter to a big media house in Ghana and I feel so Papa Sikani baako and a Racket Edwin Simon Okreku GFE also couple you be doing come a speciality a linking radio station a linking one journalist a linking one senior journalist and a silent Asante Kotoko and a linking GFE you don't some ebe bro na team na one cry na see edukataka na nanom no hearts of folk aya adie na yebe kan okre with no malice intention. And a sombo. And it's nice. As the emulate are fine. And you can see emulating so remove. Said the brapany, I can't not seminar. Ya didn't know a sombo pocket crowd live. Our GH Live Studios. Ghana's numero uno. Okay. Young Quang. And a game to Java by Sports Stadium at Asante Kotoko. Ene Boboko Baseke Holy Stars referee nafo Obabedru na watu ne hofo kakra abibia betimi akoso na beto ayere bon finfia man kunimdi bo no awie peye Asante Kotoko squad list de yede atu anim Baseke Holy Stars de enso yede atu anim bare mpanyinsi aboso ba na meja pai enti ene okopie mo Baseke Holy Stars Prince Asempa Lawrence Gadese and a Peter Ahen, Boniface Blay, when you Justice Blay. Yes. A Boniface Blay, and a Francis Osewusu, Matthew Mensah, and a Richmond Sumia, Washe go etia Kotoko Pen, Richmond Sumia, Gabriel Apia, and a Enis Bwedi, Wemo, a Sianfwa, a Kahubie, Sylvester Simba, Francis Asante, and a Prince Amponsa, and Yara Gotana, way a Prince Amponsa, Emmanuel Kwame, George Nanakisi, Question Kofi Gideon, Prince Troneboa, one also Asha Kotoko Pen, and our friends of Francis Otinjitia, yes, very good player, Prince Opoku, Jacob Wazi, one in a young captain, and our friends Dubi Kasi Tai, one also a goalkeeper, Way A and Crofwa, Basakafono, Edio Mabi Pima, and Yefedi Agrokra. Enti diatia enono womo ababe PM kama ema Saturday no womo etimi eye woniema hodo a ese omoyo hoping say ombetimi enya positive result. Yes, but eno de football mo eni omo lie Kotoko na ko awe ko ebia na empentin ko aba omo lie so omo ye de omaye Kotoko nso counter ama bibia koso eno nso kakra ye de to dwa wo mo but bibia betimi aka ne say your monitor on training, okay, and channel ha. Week him when you try the on update April, but on monitoring of training you want journalists on reported them my 18 edio much Osha squad and woman between a shot see Ediama Boboko Baseke Holy Stars goalkeeper Dubi Kasi Tai Ebesha JC number 1 na number 27 Jacob Boazi Wano Ejinechiri Hobi captain number 3 Prince Opoku Ebejinechiri na Francis Otin Jetia ene Prince Trineboa Koisin Kofi Gideon George Nanakisi Emmanuel Kwame Prince Amponsa Francis Asante Sylvester Simba wemu eyesuan for Duba kwa womu betumi ahye game na say ede Atia Asante Kotoko Boboko no Kotoko said you win no goalkeeper Muhammad Kamara Aziz Haruna Dari Joseph Amua Emmanuel Kote Fuseni Zakaria Gramba Efren Samba Jelbani Oner and Ansu Kwabena Henry Amwa Lord and Afinso Prince Bedu Sanso and a Joe Hubex Afinso Kachef Set Kwajo and Afinso Emmanuel Entry Saka Dauda Inusa Elgramu Bikwari Poku Donzo Morofin and a Johnson upon Peter Amidu Aqua Albert Amwa and a Dogo Yakubu no Dogo Yakubu enti sa pepepe ena esi etie ewo muntia sianfo no a enene wo mo kwakotro mbobre na nkunimdibo no awie peye ewo mo but expect say abet amwa ebetimi free bench ena abehye game ni mu a eno eyen kakra credit to dwa with regards to game na bibia to me akoso kama na ansa na ebekwa other stories so no yemram Baseke Holy Stars kakra na won komo kakra eto to dwa no Yamfa Entuja Emma United for live our GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1 na interested in America one player I friend say they Gabriel appear etimi din komo kakra see the tuja Emma United for no pisa and they camp kama bibia the din I niema echa edigo player edema Baseke Holy Stars na ebisa ne say ena team no preparation any ade na mood ni nyina week no say ne sitia na match day ohun niema say
ya prepare ye so for week ni ma training coaches india from bibia
o say training o ma fam no chese bibia no wo mo no pabene so enye ketwa kra
yes ya prepare ye pa say ye kwa kopa points if you come say dia ba
okay person can be chair fans no
you meet me a catch fans and say you promise me say match ya you ko ide beat me a couple points if you come say dia back enzima
okay o say on bet me have 4 points e dey free kuma say
o mo hwe ni say a couple points free kuma say
ya tell dey at first you e dey aba pm e won zima na coach no eboa miame ofa na o ma ye adwuma no na o kasa e dey my team no Rashad Musa now,
people smile. Well, not at all. I don't think there will be pressure on us, on our defenders because of Albert Amwa, even though we know how good he is. He's a threat to every club in Ghana here, but we always have a strategy to play against all the attackers they have. Nothing but 3 points. We enjoy playing Kumasi Asante Kotoko, even though we know it's not going to be easy playing in Kumasi, but we love to play against them, and surely we are going to have all the 3 points against them on Sunday.
Okay, and no, Rashad, coach. Can't yami for no more Juma Musa Rashad, and then what in some kakra, Eddie Atuja or say Omoba, na Omoni Edia Bayenya Dua. Inti, and no, some kakra free Edeba. Now, let's go forward. And then match day in TSC and 10 times so now, Ubia, it's Mikopia, and it goes to the Bantam, Sana Matet, no, goes to no Ebe Bantam. Intimation o ko baba yara na wa contem na bibia aye kama yensha de we a letter to Kesben 93.3 FM, a big letter to Kesben 93.3 FM, and I feel so Kesben TV big letter and eba edemamo team of Editorial ewo yemfike siemu ha and atna say and a big letter echo na letter no address it to Ora Kwabena Jamfi say Joe Laka Ora Joe Laka na ebi nsi owura Dr. Franco Naro so ene enuanom ahodo a aka na ebi nsi ofa kwabana kese so said you obo ndedita aka na obi aye na ofa yes ofa kwabana kese ebi ensi ne so let anyone nsem nie Kasben TV Asante Kotoko copy ebekọ amamo Ghana Football Association copy ebekọ amamo nso let anyone nsem nie body of the letter ene say Samoa mo behwe mo niam bi a ekoso a obehu se be na otwe ene na otwe mienu mu anan fa nsa na otwe mu de Kasben TV mo media portal ne so ade a mo ye adwuma pade nanso ebi abeka ho yie pa na nipa ya ade a wosa yie na umoni din so ense ni din no ye ka asimusu se ade a moyo no monyo na enkwa animu kasa ni nkyeremu ene sei ese GFA ese Kotoko management ene Kasben empanyufo se mbeka muti apamo amonkampam na bebia ese moyo na moyo eboa emakrache anaso opanyia your friend say Awa Mohammed wotumi ekafie eye adwuma edeboa Ghana football no monyo na ontumi enkafie enipa binum sei ena omuhia V8 eso mu da V8 im ye mo luxury office ewo GFA itire kama sei anyame ama ne gift enu kwa sei jama ne bo hayu sa na oba ebe America dwuma ese mo man luxury life ewo Ghana na otumi tena ho na obedwuma this encyclopedia Kotoko betimi anya ne so mfaso Ghana football betimi anya ne so mfaso in as much as said big mfaso no beko Ediama Kasben 93.3 FM for no Mijiri said this is a huge task ese samoa dwen koso a ese yeyo krachi utie na wosie agu papa utie na gusi bom ewurawura obi krachi utiminya orgasm abra wati Awa Mohammed the familiar boy papa ye betimi use no e dia aboa yen Kotoko players ye betimi use no amana hype yen Kotoko players sempo mu beja amana saba back to America esa mu feature no every now and then at the channel letter no mu ewo mu show no so GFA mo money sika tu Ghana Football Association mo krachi sika tu mo money millions mo money dollars any now on the head of history and statistics Emma Ghana football this guy et me narrate Kotoko story Ghana Premier League story afewu na eya o se tumrika kwa stadium ntia day ene wo such person na yempe V8 papa bi manenem yemfa no World Cup official emfa accreditation into ne kom ye woni papa bi sei ewo ho ye de anim ne dadaada na ne anim sa tekọ na se ntenko da nyame che talent a ontenko hwe papa bi baaye me ye sure so ama Kasben FM numbers are rising omo numbers dada but mu ratings ebekosro orajolaka we de wa unu akuma kizito na mechia we offer say na anu ye share Connecticut offer jolaka we do adamo say de share Pratt and Whitney Stadium a wo offer aseme somo kama no we de offer me hrewa jimasem paitum na sikatuo bia esam de bo Awa Mohammed the familiar boy no money Kotoko management mon tenacing collaborating money Ghana Football Association mon collaborating na 3 entities na even hard to folk obia clubs ni nyina obia benya ne so mfaso se brai opa mon fa de we nso ne hwe Kotoko ne ha se de anim a ebeboyi mo pa week ni na munyan ma no na on chance am fianko down memory lane na on fa Kotoko hon sem has hon sem mra it will attract a lot of people to the stadium believe you me na mo me Chelsea 1 Man U 1 so Man U no ye dem pagya nyame ya adom ebe pagya de but ebe che na yem pagya ye de na kwa na sia de na kofom Ghana football kofom se utie Awa Mohammed nsampa history papa odi tudwa it is a standard na 85 84 tete de no kra 90s no wo de compare ne jinzin era AI era crampa. That and crew woman is a baffom. And the Ghana Premier League, Ghana football na baffom. Inti, Miss Shramo. So when your brow we pan promo Kotoko or your head of Kotoko, be a department of communication team or your header, and ya of a safuduku the enemy. No craba could safuduku minu but of a wood, and I saw more of the law firm. Not cratchy, your man head of communication. Kotoko money secretary, GFA head of history and statistics. No, sa boy Juma or Kesman. Now, so the America, Jumanas every year be a $90,000. Ah, come on. What the emphasis out? Not Kesman, mu bonus secretary, GFA. Sika would dollars, GFA. And to most some a brilliant mind you have in America. Huh?
People saw Joe like your best ever.
I was going to call game or throw or games. So what I say, me just back home, you know, at least name me share.
Okay.
Ha, Joe like a players a person call. Joe, me that Sunday, no December 5th, 1985.
Okay, so Andy, you know,
oh, I like Andy, a very good friend of mine. Yes. Joe like a December 5th, Joe, 1985, me no be out of the bunch. So Joe could PM Ewa Kumasi Sports Stadium. Joe Mura Park, Mura Stadium by 9 o'clock. 9 a.m. Ne park AIMA.
Okay.
9 a.m. ne park AIMA. Memity scoreboard is shown. Joe came 3 o'clock. It was in the heat of the Kumasi Sports Stadium, now Baba Yara, and then I could shame for that occasion. You're like, you see, look at the squad. Who was Halifa signing goal for Kotoko? Nane Shen. Look at Nane Shen.
Yes.
Kwesi Apia. Late Raufidi. Nil. Kotoko penalty. To restore penalty. To restore, I can say, parity. Douglas Coy. Baku ni no mensa and has keep an kwansan no onam say no ball no so say
yeah. Okay.
Joe like straight into House of Oak net.
Yeah, baby.
Hey, I think for one I was here and the crew woman said, this guy a walking encyclopedia. Nipaya dia. He's so gifted. Into my gift to us about America. Menka say or own tune from America. But I had all much more of ye. Na your bonny Nissika no be a so papa we must see 4-bedroom crowd the channel, not so Ghana football. Na ede. Sika mu di si dan ma mo guess no any at the GF okay to kreku. Sika ye de ye niam ahodo ensam fat ye de to Elantra. Emma this this bad referee obedi Kotoko any Bibiani Gold Stars match. So useless referee with all due respect. Such useless referee. Yet me call a talker channel. Nti cracho ye to V8 a man say awa tina air condition V8 in Ghana football donated at the show. Ye man luxury office as a GFA history and statistics header. Na headache. Adena Ghana ye ma de pa baso. Adena ya appreciate ni ma. Huh?
1984. Now because Santi Kotoko neji as FA Cup. And I had to folk a league, you know.
Yes.
Okay, but you know the film kakra. Had to folk now say yeah more champion of champions. They now from the Super Cup, no. Okay.
So like I am more.
Nanjuba to the film kakra 1984 matches between Kotoko and Hatufuk.
Yeah, Joe like Matipa. Oma Super Cup. Oma people are insisting whether it was played because Obiaji League, Obiaji FA Cup, they are. They'll say in Shia, who is who, determined, but for some reasons, I'm Basso. So let's get this fact straight. Joe like this Ombo match is a num of 1984. Has a no Kotokono. First one, no. Joe like Amiko Stadium, and I say Obiako Stadium that day in June for such a reason. Once you book out free, may so forever rest in peace.
Yeah.
No free Kotoko. Free Kotoko no Amaha, so you walk a sec. But man for review. The bay here play for a sec, not from a
open more Kesben platform so Koswa Ibibrio so Koniko TV. Yes. Teteopa so Utia Wa Mohammed or Fox FM. Awa the history new real rem. Na osa call Kesben first no. Ni real sports so na awa mu history no asa returning to Fox FM. No abeti offensive, no Rosso Kakra. I think not Chadi or Cass. What we are not Zigman at the analysis account. Charlie, enya ball no nkwa standard number form, even radio no standard number form. And the radio presenter, yes, sports, can ya. Agenda, songa da Roma, minia songa da Roma, na say it how we, Yanko tuja, yanko throw fire, yanko tuja, went to the brawe, and Oko Kasman platform, na so biano already did not them, and also biano akakasafin at your Look at this is what we need to appreciate. Niema passe, or weto appetite, or mwani j, so be cost stadium. Me copy any video so me and I'm say, I wish something. Na me rush something, ya me kwa ball, or weto appetite. Omwani diso obeko stadium onhwe paper so onhwe book we on tape paper e natural no ka na flow ti be jama at the papa say asaba be tra America abebo warehouse debut GFA for mo news no mo man scale mo draw FIFA sika omode ba mo fa nya hwe yem fa stadium yem fa nya maintenance mo money do we man $1 million kra not na so ye adwuma obegina kuma ma ye adwuma obe promote teams ni nyina Kotoko management muntum rikanko hu ni se send flight asoso ba mo fa bi nka ho ma no not at least for Kotoko ne house no na mo be hu difference mo be hu ni pe be stadium na mo nyusu no Munyusu fan on my diamond mail links. About both players and it's our Dominic name, they can't bother for everything. I would have done now was incredible. Standard now boom on a bufform. Many are no brain analysis and standard now bufform. Songa da Roma, agenda, Yanko Tunija, fire, negative, CM. Near Chan Tra to Nipaso. Enipa ntra radio presenter ni be chato so na station to me na nim si wasa me de na mo pass administration enti e hwa na me de me wasa current administration about me time no radio presenter to me dware kotena radio so I analysis or promote a local league now obi te traitor obi ti abrochre eye a onko radio school that only anything about radio and was send a text message near ready. Na ya yahu analysis a whole lengthy time. Near the deep management, Kotoko management, house management, near the cancer phone. Now be or done a girlfriend trying when you feel any message, you know. Yet the agenda why you radio. And you been a while, Muhammad, you know. This is natural, organic. I don't say in a media dome, Nintiniama say, Monster radio presenters, many are no penny for Makanen Quada Moba. Munsiane ma pabi say na munya agenda na ekotuni ja menene nya adwene me fra e bia house management wan find menene na ya aka metuni ja sa akopem say me ye say akwada ya wo no ai no so abe oya analysis ebi kura Kotoko teto Samuel Bakai mpo wan hwe ne da opapam fran ko studio be no nya opportunity on microphone so sitting behind my microphone chinti no akasam ya and some na agenda you throw fire na ya keke no and na edi 10 crofo a pam crofo so because stadium no but believe you me utie awa Muhammada you'll be forced naturally so up a boa e be lead you to the stadium at the GFA be fast Ghana Football Association. This is the letter I am writing to you Kasban FM mukra mo so munya fast. Na papa isa buy and a boost to my numbers. My ratings across more. This is sports. When him say legendary Joe Laka. Rapper ni uni ma juma dada. Nyame na make sure we juma. Muna mo sha ase. Ene ye binom ye mu binom ye ni je ye. To focus sports of an now local news. O ye commentary. O call AS police. O ka say e honom ka na ye say abu a oba ye ko dwa mu ko dwa to ani ade nya. Ofa why ye juma na che. Uni ma juma. Nyame make sure we juma but media me appeal and say Krachi mo fa no ensa man ntena mo collaborate with Kotoko mo nya mo Kasban for no nko aso o de se mo mfi ma futu ekra mo man ntwen kopem se Kotoko ne house bebo na mo nyusu no nya ade na mo behu say yes. A lot of people will troop to the stadium due to this guy the history of them down really no there kunti And then small boys agenda. Asam ya. When who say be a GFN and a downfall, any Mr. A, or no one a downfall to but now or cancer one in one. When who say Kotoko management way, or what I call a radio station in a cocasa on copy and to be fun, but Nasia boom, Kotoko share, he cry and anything. This is the guy we need to encourage. As a nipa be saying ye dino. You use no money sike more draw. Me so you $1 million freaky dollars. And my papa is one tenancy. And your head of Ghana Football Association history and statistics are young 2 years can go. But I never told my baby girls. No, I said in Indiana back. Near Sako back to fire for fire. No, now we fire. What the Mopa Mom tear radio to the pan. One for my son quetchy. Said the young set players and the mother was current players. Sounds not radio for no. My Bobby Dean offensive. Zigman. You can't say Wa Muhammad. Papaya and the Oka say. Sir Joe, sometime amo. That time pa organic sports na mo yero. Ebi na boys here ebe. And the boys ebi no mo yi. Kasam ya sati agenda. Let's use this guy. This is my letter. Mo dia mo pese mo ye ayisha, mo sosha, mo use no for Kotoko ne house no. Mo fa no radio station to radio station Kotoko management. Let this guy profile the game. Let this guy promote the game. Jesus Christ. Come be results at the beba. Kinipe be co stadium na be jimonse. This is part 1 of the letter. Remember to part 2 if you read game now. After small letter be a car see some the mamo. Has 4 year baby. The friend catch them young. Omo asesan kwalan kete on say no mbo no because stadium. E no mo to house no. Nkwala wo benyina be house supporter o. Kotoko management mo ye dey. Kotoko circles no. Some ugu no. E na mo so mo ti global supporter. Kotoko post nkwa me na me chairman ye ko ha yanka nchame omukoye say omukoye draw kra no last week dey me na mkoye this week dey omukoye man frame me post nkwa sense of entitlement e na ekun ye Kotoko chairman so le to abama wie ye e dey na wo ye fabu sense so na mo see ye be promo wo na mo to this has for say we ankola nkete no enye so mu yo mo sa afo mako young Kotoko na younger generations no mostly ko haso no cry back up because of so much virgin cap free and some because of some has here wonders be no woman nyini ya that era ni nyina bebre wo has Kotoko na e of fafo no nko of fafo no bebre na Kotoko and a younger generation no mini bijitum ya nyina young ya Kotoko but they bebre and now has and I'm a power more year previously. That is 2000 millennium no. Woman says Jones I took quite a few of a yamin funny seeing woman year entino. Woman ya a lot of millennium guys never bread you much. Now almost about says Uncle Lawi and I could talk a circus motor. Huh? I think I could talk a leader, circus leader, and your post. Ya true about you Kotoko circus chairman and answer global and dia Mosomatiano post chichankwan ministers are why ye do so sling ministers are Kotoko circles are ya true about you no ministers are why you woman when they head of high when they head of the end a do so sling I President Mahama Mamu Mr. Kotoko chairman so miana minipa no leaders and nipa wa pam wo say where you head of treasure where your deputy there and the endorse President Mahama Mamu posum kwa Kotoko posum kwa edienko me na me circles there me na me edienko dia na wo ya aboa club no on say house for asesa kwada do mu custody omo sa fa wo mu edi phobia ni wura wo mu yeah, modia moto. Huh? School na try ye ho ahia Kumasi, Prempeh College, Amas, Ejosomai, Sectech, Obuasi Sect, Hwan, Mass School. secondary school, primary school, JSS, Montessori, Nomnia, didn't train what's here. What do you want to want a much pose? What to want a much pose? Post a much or two from Ponya away. The house for you as I grow. The next 10 years, now Kwadana and Ram course stadium. No, when you know 18 years, 19, 20. No, Massa Shomona form no more class as I cohas. Near the Atronum, it's a tree and a J cap, it's a say any say, near Botun Sansan, Tuntun Sansan. Of a four news, I know Biak and Tinago. No, I can't quaday. I can't quaday. It's a house for fan cram for Quadana. Chairman Soluja post now, teacher. What you post when your ministers in the door, so dear go. A big crowd just remind in a global supporters, the Kotoko post won't do. Yeah, me. Myself, my in the crowd. Me. Everything young me. Post woman. Hey, I say me already. And I'm here, yeah, not Kotoko get to coordinate. Oh, men I say no. Men I'm here say, everything, any pay free crowd doors to sing. VIP now, I know how bomb a fire free. Oh, beer didn't none of that deal. Huh? Ain't it and a Big Joe, Mumia, Big Joe say. Big Joe, I see you so Big Joe. No cry back up. Big Joe say, I said, you're born a basso papa. Now come on fast, every man in Shannon, sir, Big Joe. Do I hear Pocopan tertiary? Now on fast, every man in Shannon, sir. Now, Munyai post no Dawson, and now you're cover ball, intimate person, my cancer in Pico Riniaba. But like Dawson, and offer our no, Miami offer. Wadani Bernard Mona, our Ghana politics. You could trouble in beer no fire no kahun. Of fire no demonstration beer or Kotoko of fire no kahun. Hey, Asabo, Abusia. Yeah, Crobia. Yes, Papa beer na. Omu introduction or say Papa your supporters there and then no two and supporters there never that way. Me da me casa circle Cancuna na minim no makote foforo. Afi no masesa no o se ho na na mo po no masesa no tim wura papa ni munyamfo yo da onya we post na abo chiche no post no o sa kra the fat man rough no kra ba ko pe Kotoko circle ba ko circle come ya bo circle ni di guy no kwa no radio presenter okay can multi boom okay can ade o circles chairman on a circle no e patron na circle na we na di patron. Okay, can't multi but we reach na circle na go. Bra, so unim, dia make wa unim o. Ene sa nipa kro ya chairman so last akopa nipa kra ba be wuram global dia and dia asa man post. Obi ogu circle ba ko asa akoma no post. Hwe dia house for you. Huh? Can they pass circle 91 atonsu? Can they circle 91 atonsu? Ewurade nyame. Me ofa ya te abre. Offer so better men can. Me offer ya tia bre pa timi. Omutimi fa form no more shi jama. E ba be shia is ko usu ninja. Ni nyina pass na atikọ na gina mpost na mo ko ho. We ko post ho. We say we are ready we. Jeez. Abuja yan kobo bomra. Why? Ya be we abeto aso. Huh? Kotoko. Yeah, fabulous. We are near the pressure got two players so. Meanwhile, supporters, you're your biggest corporate. You're your big. I was I come Baba Bidi. Yes, Baba Bidi. Me, I said, huh? No fire, no. What done Bernard Mona? Well, says Bernard Mona, no Ghana politics. The beer demonstration Bernard Mona no Kahubi. Brown or Chako Kobi no ashe. Same people na demonstration can be and this na ko and to the on for be on board of Bernard Mona. On for be on the beer to boy ye o better so be ajisu ye Bernard Mona PNC ni no. They be na no fire no you. What is it? What is Obia Tim Chobo? Yay! No, sir. Hey, fabulous. You got the pressure I got to be for Zito, so I didn't know it. Huh? No players is very trejatum. We say maybe sign contract. Yankasi, I bet you me ball fee. Kotoko. Sorry, fetch me. You see, Yankasi, you bet you ball fee. You tell me ball fee. You hear me say, coaching Pema Sam. Hey, team near. I want to meet team. I'm support to me. Nah. Or more yet, never be a happy. Man, you know Kotoko. Ha! Kotoko Suban United is a man you. Gary Neville. With me, Cassam ya. Reverend Sekofi, Gary Neville. And I will be him. Of our no. Of Miano of a Safujan for far no almost your post school. We too far. Roy Kane, me of a Safujan. So, it of a Saforo, Momoao, Nantisa, younger generation has a Safa can home. More yes, smart. Oh, actually, the circle leader now, where some on your circle leader, for global leader. Now, global and a crowd, what do? Team Edikuma Pima, oh, what is supporters union? We see a global dear. Mum Pedin be a local name, a day. Yeah, Crobia. Young fancy, Yami boy, you could really buy a better bro update with brave. Nah, Kotoko near Pio, Indiana, ya can't say me. Yeah. Mr. Chairman, solo ministers of our power, a Dorset President Mahama ministers. That day. I did Jada Kunyam near man's trashings. Edion. And your bonnet so as some make him fun and toquasso and fun of bufuso. Huh? Huh? Now, Cocan, as and so near Babu. And I see as and birthday, professional. One who said Real Madrid factor to administrative and dear professional. I into winning workers all Real Madrid. Huh? Team have promote two players, no. Now we promote marketing and administration. Huh? A brow former player, Abo Barman and Nama White legend who didn't birthday crowd push to no. Now be or no, Oka can't work as a tiny pan. No, one tiny pan. Nipa Bakoya drama 2 teams. Kotoko the Nipa Bakoya drama 2 teams. What they are Montana and they are better, you're going to empire. But a lot of things. Mimi to a minimum Sanche will be but you and I say be there's no professional club never as we saw. Golden Boy Abdurazak, the Ben into any boy, any birthday the whole of last year. What the Golden Boy picture to her? And so marketing and D administration, not too wine. Kotoko virtual yana administrative and marketing in there. Charlie, dear girl. Promote to players, no they promote to huh? And to waste a circus chairman who didn't birthday, no one for Antoine Boofu. That also be before. Oh, honestly, so didn't birthday man for Antoine. I was saying, fancy, young boy, I was sad, but you never, why?